Podcast script episode 10 title Legal Aid in Civil Disputes What You Need to Know presented by podcaster Bharadwaj. Namaste, Namaskaram. Welcome to episode 10 of our podcast series Legal Issues Resolution through Legal Services Authorities. I am Bharadwaj, your host. In today's episode, we will be diving into the essential topic of legal aid in civil disputes. Civil disputes can range from property issues to contract disputes, and they can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially if you are unsure how to navigate the legal system. Unfortunately, legal aid is available to ensure that even individuals with limited financial resources can access justice. Let's explore how legal aid works in the context of civil disputes and how it can help you resolve issues with the support of the National Legal Services Authority (NALSA) and other legal services authorities. Segment 1. What are civil disputes? Civil disputes are non-criminal cases that typically involve private rights and obligations between individuals or organizations. These disputes can include matters like property disputes, conflicts over ownership, possession, or boundaries of land or property, contract disputes, issues arising from breaches of contracts, whether the personal or business related, family disputes such as property division during divorce or inheritance issues, consumer disputes, conflict between consumers and service providers or businesses. Unlike criminal cases, which involve the state prosecuting an individual for breaking the law, civil disputes usually involve two private parties seeking to resolve a legal disagreement or claim. Segment 2. What is legal aid? Legal aid is a service designed to provide free or affordable legal assistance to individuals who cannot afford to hire a lawyer. This service ensures that every individual, regardless of their financial status, has access to justice. In India, legal aid is provided through the National Legal Services Authority (NALSA) and its state and district branches, which offer legal services, representation in court, and advice in both criminal and civil matters. For civil disputes, legal aid can include free legal consultation for individuals unsure of their legal rights and options, free or subsidized legal representation. A panel advocate will represent the individual in court or help paralegal documents. Support with mediation, assisting parties in civil disputes to resolve matters amicably through mediation or Lok Adalat. Segment 3. How legal aid works in civil disputes. Here's how legal aid typically works for civil disputes. Number 1. Eligibility. To qualify for legal aid, the individual must demonstrate financial need. Legal aid is available to people from economically weaker sections, women, children, senior citizens, and individuals with disabilities. Number 2. Application process. The person seeking legal aid can apply to the District Legal Services Authority (DLSA) or State Legal Services Authority (SLSA) or Taluka Legal Services Committee. The application process is straightforward, and one can either visit the nearest legal services office or apply online. Number 3. Provision of legal aid. Once eligibility is confirmed, the applicant is assigned a panel advocate who will guide them through the legal process, represent them in court, or provide advice on the best course of action. Number 4. Resolution of disputes. Legal aid can be used for a range of civil disputes, from property cases to consumer issues. The DLSA can also refer cases to Lok Adalat for quicker resolution through mediation. Number 5. Mediation and settlement. In many civil cases, especially those involving property or contractual disputes, Lok Adalat may offer an opportunity for the disputing parties to reach a settlement through conciliation. This helps avoid the complexities and delays of courtroom trials. Segment 4. Benefits of legal aid in civil disputes. There are many benefits of seeking legal aid when facing a civil dispute. Access to justice. Legal aid ensures that financial barriers do not prevent people from seeking justice regardless of their income. Expert guidance. With the help of experienced panel advocates, individuals can navigate complex legal procedures with confidence. Speedy resolution. Legal aid helps expedite cases with many disputes being resolved through Lok Adalat or other alternative dispute resolution methods. Affordability. For those who cannot afford expensive lawyers, legal aid offers a cost free solution to resolve civil matters. Segment 5. How you can access legal aid for civil disputes. If you are involved in a civil dispute and need legal support, here's what you can do. Number 1. Check eligibility. If you belong to a low income group or any of the special categories like senior citizens or differently abled individuals, SC, ST, women, industrial workmen, you may qualify for legal aid. Number 2. Apply for legal aid. You can apply online or visit the DLSA or State Legal Services Authority SLSA office to submit your application. Number 3. Get legal representation. Once approved, a panel advocate will be assisted to you, providing guidance and representation throughout the legal process. Number 4. Mediation services. Your case may be referred to Lok Adalat, where an impartial mediator can help resolve the dispute outside the courtroom. Call to action. Facing a civil dispute does not have to be overwhelming. Legal aid services are available to ensure that you have access to justice. If you are struggling to afford legal help, don't hesitate to apply for legal aid today. It's your right and it's here to support you. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. In the next episode, we will discuss the role of panel advocates in representing individuals and the significance in the legal system. Until then, remember that justice is for all. Stay informed, stay empowered, and don't hesitate to seek legal aid if you need it. This is Bharadwaj signing off. Namaste, Namaskaram.